Right, here we are in the greenhouse. It's the 5th. Got a few cucumbers coming. This cucumber's getting nice and big now. Let's give them a bit more water, I think. All in all, not bad. Ah, my first cucumber. Oh, cucumber, I love you so much. You look familiar, but green. Is life so short that it seems that a cucumber is our whole life? When we have Charlie, my parrot. Good morning, Charlie. How are you today? Oh, life's fun, isn't it, eh? Yes, it is. So here we are. It's the 5th of August 2009 and it's fun. Thank you very much for watching my video. Say bye bye, Charlie. Bye bye. Bye bye.